In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put your resume on a USB flash drive. So to do this, we first need it downloaded locally to our computer. So I've got my resume in a PDF format on my desktop, but if you've created a resume on something like Canva, Google Docs, or any other online editor, you will need to download it first. On Canva, you just go to Share, then Download, and I would recommend downloading it as a PDF file. Once you've got it downloaded and it's on your PC, you now need to plug in your USB flash drive. Once plugged in, Windows might recognize it and open File Explorer. If not though, you need to go to the File Explorer icon and click on that. Once you're in File Explorer, you can then go to this PC on the left. Then you'll see your drive, which will be your computer, and you'll also see your USB drive you just plugged in. You can go ahead and double click on that. Now you need to find your resume, which will be locally on your computer. So mine is on my desktop, so I can just right click on it, then go to copy, and then copy the resume. Now we can go back to File Explorer, and here we are inside of the USB drive. So again, we go to the USB drive, we can then right click and then click on paste, and that will paste the document from our computer to the USB drive. Once we've done that, we can click on the bottom arrow here in the bottom right hand corner, right click on the drive, and then eject it to safely remove it.